what your favorite Gorilla Tag activity says about you. If your favorite Gorilla Tag activity is minigames, then you're probably pretty chill, but yeah, you probably are chill or very chaotic, and probably get trash talked a lot for like the minigames. If your favorite Gorilla Tag activity is playing tag, then you probably just are super good at the game, number one, and usually chill or toxic, either or. If your favorite activity is swinging on these ropes and Gorilla Tag, then you probably are a super duper chill player. Definitely don't scream a lot like Flushy GT, totally. And you're just very chill. Like, make sure you can subscribe for more stuff like this. Oh wait, yeah, one last one. If your favorite Gorilla Tag activity is ghost hunting, then you probably... What the...